Okay, so we're going to look at converting decimals into fractions. So they are going to be exactly the same quantity, however they're going to be written in different methods. So a decimal as a fraction. So in our last video, we were looking at converting in this format here, and this is just going to show you the method of doing that. So if I was to go for 0.75, okay, 0.75, that's 75 squares out of 100. The first step I would want to do is to write it 0.75, write it as a fraction. Okay, so I then divide it by 1 by putting it into a fraction with 1 at the bottom. Okay, now we need to multiply, so step 2, which I'll write here, is to times both the top and the bottom by 100. And that would give us 75 over 100. Okay, so that turns the top number into a whole number. And then nice and easy from here, step 3. You simplify the fraction. Okay, so we put it in as simple a form as possible. So we've got 100, and we need to work out what divides into 75 and 100. What divides into 75 and 100? So actually, I'm going to look at the 5 times table. So if I divide 75 by 5 and 100 by 5, it gets, so 15, 75, 75 divided by 5 is 15, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. I think I can simplify that into a smaller number there. So let's look at, I can divide by 5 again, because 5 goes into both 15 and 20. That's it, 15 divided by 5 is 3, 20 divided by 5 is 4, and that is the smallest one possible. So there we've converted 75 into 3/4. It's exactly the same quantity, but it's written in a different form. Let's try another one. Let's try 0.16. 0.16, so step 1, we write 0.16 over 1. Step 2, we multiply both numbers by 100, 0.16 over 1 times 100 times 100. That would give us 16 on top, 100 below. And then step 3, we need to simplify. So we've got 1/6 over 100. Straight away, what goes into both? Well, I can see that 2 would go into both. So let's start off by dividing by 2. Dividing by 2. So 16 divided by 2, so that's in half, so that would be 8. 100 divided by 2 would be 50. Can we get any smaller than that? Let's try that again. So if we divide by 2 again, and then we divide this one by 2, we get half of that, which would be 4. and then we'd get 25. Excellent. Can it get any smaller than that? No, not with any. So that would be our final number there. Okay, so that can be your method when you are working out the decimals and the percentages of this.